GST, Goods and Services Tax, and Indian Contract Act 1872. Kerala PSC question paper for departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET, in-service exams, degree PG level exams, and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Shipping bill is a answer 13 digit number. 3 digit number. Question number 2. In the GSTR 9C, which reconciliation is to be made? Answer. Reconciliation of supplies declared in the annual return with the details of audited financial statement. Question number 3. Late fee for annual return is answer rupees 100 for every day subject to a maximum of 0.25 percentage of turnover in the state or union territory. Question number 4. Dash means a person who occasionally undertake transactions involving supply of goods or services or both in the course or furtherance of business, whether as principal, agent, or in any other capacity in a state or a union territory where he has no fixed place of business. Answer: casual taxable person. Question number 5. In case of exports made by a person having turnover up to rupees 1.5 crore, how many HSN digits are to be specified? Answer: 8 digits. I repeat, question number 5. In case of exports made by a person having turnover up to rupees 1.5 crore, how many HSN digits are to be specified? Answer: 8 digits. 8. 8 digits. Question number 6. Form GSTR 6A contains the details of dash by input service distributors dash registered taxable persons. Answer: inward supplies received from. Question number 7. HSN stands for answer Harmonized System of Nomenclature Code. Harmonized System of Nomenclature Code. Question number 8. Who is required to furnish the final return? Answer: a person whose registration has been cancelled. Question number 9. Which section lays down the provisions of GST practitioners? Answer: section 48. 48. Question number 10. What is the due date of filing form GST ITC 01? Answer: within a period of 30 days, 30 days from the date of becoming eligible to avail the ITC. Question number 11. What is the date of effectiveness of e-way bill on interstate movement of goods? Answer: 1st April 2018. 2018. Question number 12. What is the date of effectiveness of e-way bill on intrastate movement of goods in all states except Delhi? Answer: 3rd June 2018. 2018. Question number 13. What is the date of effectiveness of e-way bill on intrastate movements of goods in all states including Delhi? Answer: 16th June 16. June 2018. 2018. 16th June 2018. Question number 14. Form GST ITC 04 needs to be filed by answer 25th of the month succeeding the said quarter. Question number 15. Which of the following is true? Option A. The Commissioner may extend the time limit for furnishing the details of outward supplies by notification for valid reasons. Option B. The details of outward supplies shall include details of debit notes, credit notes, and revised invoices issued in relation to outward supplies. Option C. The details of outward supplies shall be submitted in form GSTR 1 by all the registered taxable person other than ISD, non-resident taxpayer, and a person paying tax under Section 10, Section 51, and Section 52. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 16. What is the penalty amount in terms of percentage is provided in case the owner of such exempted goods comes forward to pay the required amount? Answer 2% of the tax payable amount. Question number 17. What shall be the validity of e-way bill in case of vehicles other than over-dimensional cargo? Answer 1 day per 100 kilometers. 1 day per 100 kilometers. Question number 18. What are the penalty provisions provided under in section 129 in case of detention and seizure under e-way bill? Answer option A, INR 25,000 or penalty as 2% of the tax due, whichever is less, plus tax amount payable. Question number B, providing a bond along with the security in the form of a bank guarantee equal to the total amount due. Answer both A and B. Question number 19. What shall be limit of generation of e-way bill in case of interstate movement of goods by principal to a job worker? Answer no limit. Question number 20. Does transportation of empty cargo containers, does transportation of empty cargo containers require generation of e-way bill? Answer no. Question number 21. NIC stands for answer National Informatics Center. Question number 22. Small taxpayers who would like to have the facility of missing and pending invoices in the proposed return mechanism may file dash. Answer monthly return. Question number 23. HSN up to dash should be provided quarterly return in proposed return scheme. Answer 4 digits or more. Question number 24. Reporting of HSN code is optional for taxpayers having answer annual return up to rupees 1.50 crores. Annual return up to rupees 1.50 crores. Question number 25. GSTR 9C is a answer annual audit report. Question number 26. The special features of dash is that the details of supplies received by a recipient can be auto-populated in the basis of the details furnished by the counterparty suppliers in his GSTR 1. Answer GSTR 2A. Question number 27. If GSTP is found guilty of any misconduct, then he shall be removed by an order in answer form GST PCT 04. Question number 28. Any person who opts to furnish his return through GSTP must give his consent in answer form GST PCT 05. Question number 29. True or false? No person shall be eligible to attend before any authority as a goods and service tax practitioner in connection with any proceedings under the Act on behalf of any registered or unregistered person unless he has been enrolled under Rule 83. Answer true. Question number 30. What is the monetary penalty provided under section 122, subsection 1 of CGST Act for contravention of provision of e-way bill? Answer option A INR 10,000. Option B amount of tax sought to be evaded. Option C higher of A and B. Correct answer higher of A and B. Question number 31. Which provision of the Act governs cancellation of e-way bill? Answer Rule 138 subsection 9. Rule 138 subsection 9. Question number 32. What is the time limit provided for cancellation of e-way bill? Answer within 48 hours of generation of e-way bill. Question number 33. The details submitted by the supplier in form GSTR 1 are communicated to the registered taxable person in. Question number 33. I repeat question number 33. The details submitted by the supplier in form GSTR 1 are communicated to the registered taxable person in dash. Answer form GSTR 2A after the due date of filing form GSTR 1. Question number 34. Certificate to GSTP shall be issued in dash. Answer form GST PCT 02. Question number 35. If there is no transaction, monthly return is not mandatory for answer. Option A, input service distributor. Option B, person covered under TDS or e-commerce operator making tax collection at source, TCS. Option C, non-resident taxable person. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 36. Every registered person after discharging his liability towards tax, interest, penalty, fees or any other amount payable shall include the details in dash. Answer, Part B of Form GSTR 3. Question number 37. What is the validity period of e-way bill if in case only Part A is being filled and saved on the portal? That is Part B of Form GST EWB 01 is yet to be filed. Answer, 15 days, 15 days from the date of generation. Question number 38. Which form is used for recording of detailed information of any inspection or verification of any goods in transit? Answer, Form GST EWB 03. Question number 39. What can be the possible solution in case of wrong entry or mistake in e-way bill? Answer, the bill shall be cancelled and new bill shall be generated. Question number 40. Which provision under the CGST Act attracts the detention or seizure provision under e-way bill? Answer, Section 129 of CGST Act. Question number 41. What is the time limit provided for online recording and furnishing of final report of inspection or verification made by the proper officer? M Form GST EWB 03. Answer, within 3 days of inspection. Question number 42. e-way bill portal is managed by answer, National Informatics Center. Question number 43. Which form is used for generation of consolidated e-way bill on the portal? Answer, Form GST EWB 02. Question number 44. Transin is answer 14-digit number, 14-digit number. Sorry. Question number 45. What is the objective of issuance of Form GST MOV 02? Answer, order for conducting a physical inspection of goods, vehicle or documents. Question number 46. Which form is used for furnishing of final inspection report? Answer, GST MOV 04. Question number 47. Which form is used for releasing any goods from detention or seizure in case of no discrepancies found therewith? Answer, GST MOV 05. Question number 48. Which form is used for raising a detention order under e-way bill? Answer, GST MOV 06. Question number 49. Which form is used for providing information about the bond provided by the owner to release the goods against securities? Answer, GST MOV 08. Question number 50. In case the owner does not come forward to make the payment of taxes in case of taxable goods, then what shall be the penalty leviable? Answer, taxes plus 100% of value of goods. Question number 51. Where there is dash, there is remedy. Answer, right. I repeat, where there is right, there is remedy. Question number 52. Breaking of an obligation under a contract is known as answer, breach. Question number 53. Which of the following remedy is available when contract is broken by one of the party? Answer, option A, rescission of contract. Option B, specific performance. Option C, either A or B. Correct answer, option C, either A or B. That is rescission of contract or specific performance. Question number 54. Mr. A and Mr. B are joint promisers. Promisee discharged one of the joint promiser. Then dash. Answer, Mr. B is not discharged from liability towards Mr. A. Question number 55. Reasonable time for performance of a contract is answer, question of fact. Question number 55. Reasonable time for performance of a contract is a dash. Option A, question of law. Option B, question of fact. Option C, mixed question of fact and law. Option D, question of prudence. Correct answer, option B, question of fact. Question number 56. As a general rule, impossibility of performance of a contract is dash for dash of a contract. Answer, no excuse, non-performance. I repeat, question number 58, 56. As a general rule, impossibility of performance of a contract is no excuse for non-performance of a contract. Question number 57. Which of the following may be treated as supervening impossibility? Answer, destruction of subject matter. Question number 58. Which of the following cannot be treated as supervening impossibility? Answer, commercial impossibility. Question number 59. Dash means acceptance of lesser fulfillment of promise made. Answer, remission. Question number 60. In case of breach of contract, compensation can be claimed for. Answer, the proximate and natural consequence of breach. Question number 61. Damages which arise naturally in usual course of things from breach are called as dash. Answer, general damages. Question number 62. Damages which an aggrieved party can claim in addition to ordinary damages for any loss suffered owing special circumstances known to both the parties of the time of signing the contract are called. Answer, special damages. Question number 63. Harley versus Baxendale is a famous case on dash. Answer, breach of contract. Question number 64. Dash means termination of contract. Answer, rescission. Question number 65. Damages under the Indian Contract Act 1872 are in the nature of. Answer, compensation. Question number 66. Damages are awarded when dash. Answer, injured party suffers direct loss. Question number 67. When damages are awarded simply to recognize the right of party to claim damages for the breach of the contract are called as dash. Answer, nominal damages. Question number 68. When party has not suffered any loss but still he wants to prove that he is right, in such case he can claim dash. Answer, nominal damages. Question number 69. Where a party to the contract has suffered substantial physical discomfort and convenience as result of breach of contract, he can file a suit for claiming compensation from party at fault. Answer, true. Question number 70. When contract provides for payment of certain amount in case of breach of contract, these are termed as. Answer, liquidated damages penalty. Question number 71. When there is abandonment of rights by the parties to the contract by mutual consent, it is known as. Answer, waiver. Question number 72. When inferior right accruing to a party under a contract merges into a superior right, it is known as. Answer, merger. Question number 73. Anticipatory breach can occur in case of. Answer, executory contract. Question number 74. When there is supervening impossibility subsequent to formation of contract, then contract becomes. Answer, void. Question number 75. Liquidated damages represent a sum which is. Answer, fair and genuine pre-estimate of the portable loss that might ensue as a result of breach if it take place. Question number 76. Penalty represent a sum which is dash. Answer, disproportionate to damages likely to accrue as a result of breach. Question number 77. Court grants specific performance when dash. Answer, monetary compensation is not an adequate remedy. Question number 78. Where the contracting parties agree in advance the amount payable in the event of breach, the sum payable is called dash. Answer, liquidated damages. Question number 79. Question number 79. A delivered goods to the railway administration to be carried to a place where an exhibition was being held and told the goods clerk that if the goods did not reach the destination on the stipulated date, he would suffer loss. The goods reached late. He was entitled to claim dash. Answer, special damages. Question number 80. Dash are obligation created by law regardless of agreement. Answer, quasi contracts. Question number 81. law of quasi-contracts is also known as dash. Answer, law of restitution. Law of restitution. Question number 82. Quasi-contract based upon principles of, answer, option A, equity, option B, justice, option C, good conscience, option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 83. VBI JUSIBI remedium means dash. Answer, where there is right, there is remedy. Where there is right, there is remedy. Where there is right, there is remedy. Question number 84. Damages which naturally and directly arose in the usual course of things from the breach are known as dash. Answer, ordinary damages. Question number 85. The law relating to specific relief in India is contained in the dash. Answer, Specific Relief Act 1963. Question number 86. Where a party is in breach of negative term of a contract and other party gets the order from court restraining the party in breach from doing what he promised not to do. Such an order of the court is known as, answer, injunction. Injunction. Question number 87. Which of the following can be treated as supervening impossibility? Answer, destruction of subject matter. Question number 88. Within how much time from GST ITC 03 shall be filed by a person in respect of details of ITC on goods held by him if he wants to shift from normal scheme to composition scheme in the next F5? Answer, 60 days, 60 days from the commencement of relevant financial year. Question number 89. The manufacturer of goods shall not be eligible to opt for the composition scheme. Answer, option A, ice cream, option B, pan masala, option C, tobacco, option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 90. Agreement the meaning of which is uncertain or dash. Answer, void. Question number 91. An agreement between two parties to do or not to do something if some even collateral to such agreement does or does not happen is known as dash. Answer, contingent contract. Question number 92. Dash is one in which the promiser binds himself to perform in any event without any condition. Answer, absolute contract. Question number 93. Contingent contract are dash. Answer, valid and enforceable. Question number 94. Fulfillment of obligations under the contract is known as dash. Answer, option A, completeness of contracts. Option B, securing the rights of the other parties. Option C, performance of contracts. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 95. If one of party to contract is ready to perform his part but other party is not ready to accept performance, it is known as, answer, option A, tender, option B, accepted performance. Option C, allowed performance. Correct answer, option D, A and C, that is tender and allowed performance. Question number 96. Contingent contract dependent on happening of an uncertain future event cannot be enforced until event has happened, and if event becomes impossible, such contract becomes dash. Answer, void. Question number 97. An agreement to pay money or money's worth on the happening or non-happening of a specified uncertain event is a dash. Answer, I repeat, question number 97. An agreement to pay money or money's worth on the happening or non-happening of a specific uncertain event is a dash. Answer, wagering agreement. Question number 98. Which of the following contains reciprocal promises? Option A, contingent contract. Option B, wagering agreement. Option C, quasi contract. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option B, wagering agreement. Question number 99. In order to avoid a contract on the ground of misrepresentation, it is necessary to prove that dash. Answer, any assertion made has induced the party aggrieved to enter into the contract. Question 100. Dash is an untrue statement made knowingly or without belief in its true or recklessly, carelessly, whether it be true or false with the intent to deceive. Answer: fraud. Thank you.